A shift is happening in corporate America. We are turning to Andy Challenger of Challenger Gray and Christmas to tell us what's going on with starting salaries. Andy, for months, companies were offering hefty salaries and even hiring perks just to get workers in the door. What's happening now?
Yeah, well, for job seekers that have been on jobs boards over the last 2.5 years, they've become really accustomed to ever increasing starting salaries for new positions if they're willing to move to a new company and take and switch to a new role. However, ZipRecruiter has released some information recently that says those starting salaries are actually not only slowing down, but actually falling for the first time in a few years. For a number of different roles, we've seen those starting salaries decline, particularly in technology-focused positions.
Where is starting pay falling?
In fact, ZipRecruiter says that for the majority of roles listed on their website, starting pay has fallen from last year, and it's most pronounced in technology and transportation and a few other sectors that saw the biggest hiring sprees in 21 and 22. That's when competition for workers had gotten extremely intense in one of the largest labor shortages the country's ever seen, and wages were really skyrocketing. But we are now seeing those salaries start to fall back down to earth.
We've seen a number of tech companies laying off employees. What's the fallout?
Yeah, companies that are offering lower starting wages than they were a year ago are saying that the competition has just become less intense for a lot of workers, particularly with mass layoffs in technology. We've seen the largest companies in the world, Google, Facebook, Netflix, all conducting these layoffs. And in that environment, there's less competition against Silicon Valley companies that have been traditionally willing to pay the most premium and high salaries. And that's affecting the entire market sliding backwards.
Where else are starting salaries declining?
Yeah, another area that's seen a particular decline is in real estate. For mortgage closers and underwriters, there's evidence that those starting salaries have dropped nearly 30% from their high last year.
Terrific information. Thank you, Andy.
Thanks for having me on, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.